As many people, including scientists, believe, climate is changing. One of the impacts of the changing climate is the rising sea levels. If you think it poses no influence to your life, think about it again. I can give you a hint, or an example. You had better put these places on top of your travel list, since they are disappearing due to global warming. The first place you may want to go in a rush is Netherlands. First of all, let's look at some beautiful pictures of this country, which is famous for bikes, tulips, and windmills. Netherlands is known as a lowland country, with half of the country lies below 1 meter sea level. In addition, nearly 1/5 of its land is reclaimed on the sea. Being so, this country is protected by dikes and man-made dams. From this picture, we can see that not much the road is above the sea. Here are several maps that visualize land reclamation in Netherlands. According to the map from National Geographic, the northwestern part of Netherlands is 1 meter below sea level, where it's under huge threat of being drowned. I found a tool on geology.com. When we change how much the sea level has risen, we can see the area being flooded in the Netherlands. Let's take a closer look at its capital, Amsterdam. On the top right is the current sea level. If I raised 1 meter sea level, only the central part of the Amsterdam is not flooded. If the sea level were to rise 5 meters, almost the entire area will be drowned. The next destination that should be on your list is Venice. Venice is a city in northeastern Italy, seated on a group of 117 small islands, separated by canals and linked by bridges. Venice is famous for the beauty of its setting, its architecture, and its artworks. The entire city is listed as a World Heritage Site. I used the same tool from geology.com to explore areas of Venice that will be flooded at various stages of sea level rise. Pay attention to the number at the top left corner. That represents how much sea level has risen. Here we can see that the rise of 1 meter will change the map of Venice a lot. More than half of the area of Venice will be flooded if sea level rose 4 meters. Here I have some pictures of Venice being flooded after storms. I believe they will help you to imagine what Venice would be like if sea level were to rise in the near future. After touring in Europe, you might consider visiting other parts of the world, so Maldives should be the next one on your list. Maldives has one of the most breathtaking beaches. You won't be disappointed. So where is Maldives? It is an island nation in the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea area, consisting of more than 1,200 atolls. This is a picture of its capital, Malé. As you can see, it is completely seated on the ocean. Here is the Malé International Airport, which is also surrounded by water with no surprise. With a height elevation of just 1.5 meters above sea level, Maldives is the lowest lying nation in the world. Maldivians have come up with several ideas to protect their home from the sea. However, they can't stop sea from rising, which could potentially destroy the entire country. According to some scientists' research, they indicate that sea levels worldwide have been rising at a rate of 0.14 inches. That is 3.5 millimeters per year since the early 1990s. And according to Richard Alley in his book, Earth, the Operator's Manual, the temperature has climbed up 1.3 degrees Fahrenheit over the last century. That is warm enough to melt a considerable volume of ice, which leads to sea level rise. Now, hundreds and thousands of cities, even countries, are in the shadow of being submerged. If we ever want to see those picturesque destinations, or if we still want our offspring to see how beautiful the earth is, we better hurry up and do something before these places are buried underwater.